Hey there, I'm Skip Slusher and this is Bugsy. And I'm sure over time you've heard about sit bones and how to use them and how they work. And that really leads to a bigger point, which is positive and negative space. Positive space is application of pressure, negative space is release of pressure. So if let's say I want to tip his nose where he was already looking, that's the application of pressure. But I let him, my hand doesn't keep asking, I let him put slack in the rein and release pressure. If I'm going to move him that way, I'm going to put my weight into my outside foot, outside sit bone, open my inside sit bone and inside leg. Here's negative space that he's going to want to fill. So here's my pressure on the outside, and he moves into that negative space. Again, the other way. So weight is over here, opening's over here. He's going to move into that opening. So rather than depending on adding pressure as a constant to get your horse to do something, they do it because of the release of pressure and the negative space they can move into. So sit bones are a big part of creating positive space pressure, negative space release, and that's side to side. The same applies to forward and backwards. So here I'm on the back of my sit bones. He's chasing that to put me back into balance. And here I'm on the front of my sit bones, and he wants me to come into balance again. So you can use that sit bone tool to accelerate, to rate up, rate down, to stop, to turn. Everything happens from where you sit, how you sit, creative negative space, applying positive space. So play around with that. It's very light. Be very light with it and have fun. Make sure it's fun.